everyone, it's Ashley, one of your supermarket registered dietitians, and today we're making cauliflower steak topped with a coconut turmeric relish. Many times we think of meat as being the main entree or the center of our plate, and today we're going to focus on a plant-based center of our plate, being the cauliflower steak. Before we get started with anything else, we're going to combine our lemon juice with our golden raisins. So now we are going to put our extra virgin olive oil, our coconut, and our garlic to saute together in our skillet. And we are going to saute that until the coconut and garlic are nice and golden brown. So now I've removed this from the heat, and we're going to add in our mustard seed, our chili, our ginger, our turmeric, and a little salt and pepper. And then once that's mixed together, now we're going to transfer it to a heat-proof container. All right, now we are going to cook the cauliflower. So first we're going to saute it in olive oil and put a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to bake it. The cauliflower steaks are almost done. They're in the oven. So now our relish is cooled off. So we are going to add the raisins that have plumped up. So first of all, we're gonna lay down almost like a bed of some Greek yogurt to add to our flavor, but now also to add a source of protein. Now we're gonna take one of the cauliflower steaks, and then we are going to put our coconut turmeric relish on top. All right, so there we have it, our cauliflower at the center of our plate. And so to make this a complete meal, we'd want to add a whole grain. So a brown rice or a quinoa would go really great with this. And we could do a salad topped with some fruit and a nice vinaigrette. And then again, you do have your protein from that Greek yogurt, which also serves as your dairy. And there you have it, your My Plate meal in 30 minutes or less. And you can find this recipe and so many more at celebratemore.com/dietitians.